Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Thermaltake divider 300 series by adding TG Air to the current TG and TG ARGB. So friends, Thermaltake has announcing the extension of divider 300 series from the current classic TG, the sensational TG ARGB with motherboard seeing the new variant TG Air with a standoff airflow, and friend the divider 300 series and ATX mother tower chassis featuring symmetrical triangular pieces with side panels and tempered glass on the left side. And friend, thanks to its inimitable body design, the divider 300 series allows user to showcase their system in a particular way to two color options, and friend, black and snow. It is designed as an ATX form factor chassis supporting up to a standard ATX motherboard, and front IO ports are designed with 2 USB 3.0 and 1 Type C. And in addition, the patent PCI-E expansion slots offer secure for vertical GPU mounting or directly connect to the motherboard with a variety of GPU length support across the series. And friend, the airflow is improved by the built-in triangular side panel with side ventilation. And friend, its series supports AIO liquid cooling solution, the latest TOUGHLIQUID Ultra CPU AIO liquid cooler, and Floe RC Ultra CPU and memory AIO liquid cooler will fit perfectly. And friend, all divider 300 series cases are supported by Thermaltake worldwide customer service and technical support network. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.